Tuesday, September 30th of 2025. We're about to trade Forex. We passed the funded account yesterday, and I got an email saying that my account credentials will be properly issued within the next 24 to 48 hours. So I was like, okay, well, what am I going to trade with today? So, since I have nothing else to do for the next 24 and 48 hours, we're going to be flipping $100 for my friend. See how much we can make just today. So I think we had news at 9 today was the first one. 8:50. That already happened. 9 a.m. A lot of news. Trump speaking today. We're short. We're overall bearish on gold and silver. This is exactly what's going to happen today. Point for point, exactly what's most probable to happen today. Boom, right? New York market. We're going to come up here into this area, right? We're going to come up here into this Fibonacci retracement as well as this imbalance in price. We have about 3 fair value gaps all in line with each other right here. This whole segment. Right in line with the Fibonacci retracement. So pretty much what gold is going to do today is what's most probable in my head and what I think is, what I'm very confident that's going to happen, is price is going to come up into this area and then react towards the downside back to the 4-hour Fibonacci retracement, to this yellow line. So our TP1 is going to be 1, 2, 3. TP, once price comes up here, then it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Then I think they're all going to hit. We have to see also how much we're risking, how much we're making. We can see that. Because bro only gave me, well, he gave me 100, but Hero FX, the brokerage I use, charges like $200. I mean, $20 for fees and shit, which is kind of bullshit, but yeah, this is cheeks, buddy. Just cheeks, buddy. $45 is not terrible though. Like how much would I have to be to make 100? Like how long? How big do I have to? Decent. That's not terrible though. That's not awful. $30 a trade. That's not terrible. Let's set this up though, just to. Dang, what is this? What is this line right here for? Oh, okay, we already did set that up. Nice. We're going to go on the 1 hour, and then we're going to mark out. I'm going to mark this out right here. This low time frame Fibonacci. Price is gonna, let's see where the session lows are. Okay, well, we got something here. Yep, we got something here. So either price comes down and then continues down from here, right? Or something that's also very possible. Price ignores previous session lows, comes up first, taps back into previous session highs in this whole area right here. This whole high confluence area, which is in line with previous session levels, which is in line with Fibonacci retracement, fair value gaps, imbalances in price, which is the same thing as a fair value gap. And so all this area, I know this area wants to get hit for sure today. This whole area, because it's just a mine of gold right here. So whether we hit it right now or we hit it after, doesn't really matter. So we'll just see how that plays out. Same with gold. They're setting up pretty much the exact same way. That gold's a little bit higher than and silver, but same thing pretty much. On EU, I want to say I guess I'm overall bullish, right? I mean, yeah, I'm overall bullish. I don't know if we're gonna come down here and take these. We already last week we already came out and took all these high resistance liquidity points, which made this mini little downtrend kinda. Then we broke 4-hour structure towards the upside. Right here. We closed above this and then we went back down. Dang, bro. What just happened? The only problem is that we have barely any draws of liquidity. We have this one, we have this one. But do we think price will hit these? I don't know. I don't know. EU and GU is not setting up in an ideal way that I would like to trade. My bias would have to be on this chart. There's this huge hourly fair value gap we inversed, as well as this 4-hour break of structure. I guess we are overall bullish because of the break of structure and the inverse fair value gap. This is also a very far drop to come down to the next point in high resistance liquidity. But the high points are a little bit closer, I would have to say. The draws and liquidity. The hourly draws and liquidity. So if you got 30 minutes too. Yeah, there we go. Now we can actually find something. Got these little highs. Boom. I doubt price is going to come back down here. If we do, I'll just mark it out again, though. That ain't no problem for Big J. Excuse me. Wait a second. Wait a second, though. We just changed everything. We just changed absolutely everything. Chopped cheddar cheese, boy. Chopped cheddar cheese, baby. This is the beauty of the game. For you ladies and for you gentlemen that don't know the game, this is the beauty of it. Okay? Just watch and learn the masseuse at work. Watch and learn how a motherfucking genius does it. Sorry. Look at this. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all exactly why I think this way in a second. And then shit, though. That's some bullshit, nigga. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, that ain't no bullshit, bro. This the right shit. It's easy, bro. So we are overall bullish, I would say, but price does want to come down here into this retracement area. And I mainly think that we're looking for shorts today. We're looking for a retracement play today because of two reasons. Tomorrow, we got some high impact news. I know the rest of this week, though, we have some pretty heavy news. And on those news days is when we're going to complete, like, our actual, like, bias, like our strong bias, you know what I mean? Sometimes if it's low impact news and like not that much going on with news in the market's just steady moving, it kind of moves slow and you're kind of not hoping for, but like catching retracement plays. more than normal just buys and trade, and that is because of high impact news. It's because taking further into the week to get to, so that's what happens. Anyways, the reason I'm so confident about it going down now is because look at this. We have not only an SMT, right, off of this 4-hour break of structure, we also have an SMT from these two highs, from here to here, right? And the reason is because if you go on GU, look at this. From this 4-hour high to this one, and even this one, it's all consecutively lower like this, So we got these two, and then this high, the most recent high, is lower than this one. On EU, it's quite the opposite. Literally the opposite. Created a high time frame SMT divergence, meaning what? We're bullish. We're ultimately very, very bullish. And we're getting a huge candlestick towards the downside on both these charts. Oh, also, I think we probably could have hit for one of these trades, no? Yeah, we could have hit for one of these trades for sure. 820. Yeah, I ain't trading no 820 type. I ain't trading that shit. On GJ, we're overall just bearish. That's just bearish. Just bearish. Overall, just bearish on GJ. We're just slowly coming down, sweeping down all this low resistance liquidity. That's just resting right here. Once we get back into, once we sweep all this low resistance liquidity, then we might get some reverses towards the upside. And into these high resistance points of liquidity. Sweep the low, target the high. So have a fair value gap. We also have a 15-minute break of structure here. We also have a 5-minute. I'm going to go ahead and enter a short position on GJ. GJ, there you go. Damn, I'm only making $1 off that mug. What the hell? Oh, there we go. What a beauty. GJ, we took. Maybe we can wait on a retracement, but the retracement already kind of happened. So we had this New York market open, we came up into this level, reacted off of it, made a 15-minute fair value gap, hit that, respected it, then broke 5-minute and 15-minute structure towards the downside. So I placed a short position. Okay. Short position. Okay. About to place a stop loss. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, shoot. Edit position. Stop loss. Boom. Just in case. I forgot this is a low margin account. Very, very, very low margin account. So we're kind of like scalp trading today, which is all right, I guess. We're finally getting some like retracement on EU and GU though, which are the charts that I'm excited about. Also creating the very, very, very crazy bullish S&T. Look at this joint. Look at this joint, bro. Hold on. To be honest, I might not even take a trade. Oh no, overall we're not creating a bullish S&T. Okay, never mind. Yeah, so we are bearish. We're mega bearish. Mega bearish. I'd like to see a retracement. I don't know if we're going to hit that now. If we do, though, that'd be awesome. I think we're going to react off this level and shoot down on GJ. I also have this 5-minute fair value gap in line with this level. Maybe tap into around this area and then boost down. It's my on EJ, we did come down here and hit the first. We're about to make some bucks if we get a 1 minute. Getting a lot of dojis. Which is always a good sign for depends. Let me take that back. Depends. It's always a good sign. Depends. If you see this, that means there's a lot of people wanting to go long, but then an overwhelming amount wanting to go short. For example, this candlestick right here, right? Everybody wanted to go long. The people that did want to go long pushed the candlestick all the way up to this point. And then everybody who wanted to go short beat the number of people who wanted to go long. So it created this doji and then a candle closed right here. And same with these, all these wicks towards the upside. This one's about the wick as well. It's a huge wick. Huge wick central. We might only be looking at one play for gold as well. One long play, one bullish play into this area. So what we might be looking for. Well, that's kind of cool, but that's not kind of cool at the same time. It's like, that's good. We're up $3 right now. I told my boys, bro. I told them, I was like, yo, I could probably flip you a large amount of money. I could probably flip your money into a big amount, like a large, like sum of money in like a week or two. I'm definitely only doing it for this week though. I had like 3 homies that wanted to send me bread, but they all said they couldn't right now because they needed to wait to get paid from work, which is cool, but at the same time, I don't think I'm going to be doing this very often at all because it is kind of fun, just to like, you know what I mean? It's just trading, so it's always fun, but oh shoot. Oh no, never mind. Discord start next Monday, by the way. Had somebody in chat asking me. What was I saying? Oh, that this it's fun to trade on these accounts. You know what I mean? Don't get me wrong. The only problem that I have with them is that there's really no point in me trading these accounts. I'm only doing it for the fun of it because I don't have the other account to trade on until tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I can get it so I can start trading immediately. And then I'll give my boy the money back. Which, to be honest, I have to make at least 150 for him to even get profits because Hero FX takes like a fucking $30 fee, bro. Do I recommend Hero FX? They've worked good for me. And that 3%. Is that 30%? I think that's 30%. The 30% fee is fucking nuts. 30% of 100 is 30, right? Yeah. Yeah. You're taking a good 30%, bro, to check. Or 3%. Oh well. Hold on, I'm snapping some shorties. Bro. Bro, you look like a fucking homeless. Okay, so I gotta do a couple things today. Today I got to record an intro for the Discord, intro video. I have to edit. Edit clips and post them on the socials. I have to maybe rebrand the socials or like organize them a little bit. I always feel like I have to do that. I have to edit all these clips, bro. A lot of clips I have to edit. Probably get that done while we trade. GJ is about to hit TP1. Might go ahead and just remove the TP and then just let it ride. Just have the stop loss there. Let price ride. Simply because I also want to see what EJ does. EJ is for sure pushing past this point on these next like 3-4 candles. Or we're creating a bullish SMT. And while GJ continues to go down, EJ stays above these points. And that would be completely fine. But GJ has to come into this area and take this out. Anyways. So I also don't think we're overall bearish into any point up here. I mean, the highest point I can think that we can retrace up to would be somewhere among this area, but we haven't even created a swing low for us to mark out for the retracement area. So we're just shooting down pretty much. That's my train of thought. I believe that we're just going to continue to shoot down for now. On gold, we're not getting much movement, bro. Not getting much movement. Finally going down. On silver, going somewhere on silver. Let's see. EU, we didn't get the retracement we were looking for. We did get a retracement into this 5-minute fair value gap, though. Always a good sign. Yeah, so we could also target on EU. That's my margin. I only have $1 margin available. That's gay as shit. That's why I don't trade these accounts, bro. What the gay ass nigga is that, bro? I need to learn how to manage my margin on lower scale accounts like this. But to be honest, though, it's not a bad idea to make it a series. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comment section below. Looks close. If you want to get rich, give your money to me. That's how I'm gonna put it. And also, I am gonna put this 0.07 position in. Oh, I can't even. Oh yeah, I can. Can I? Yeah, order rejected. Yeah. Okay, not enough margin. That's what I thought. I can't even do. Yeah, you have to have at least $2 to trade. I have $1 margin, so. And to be honest, I'm probably just gonna let this ride to TP1. TP1. TP2. Draws and liquidity. We have this 5-minute fair value gap. This is also a 15-minute break. Pretty sure. Break of structure. $15-minute fair value gap. Beauty. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna let this ride into TP2 on GJ. I wish we had a little bit more margin. What I might do is take partials when it hits TP1, which is probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take partials, right? I'm gonna take partials and then have a bigger margin, so then I can also enter a trade on EJ down into this draw. But I want to wait until my TP1 hits first. I don't like these dojis we're forming, though. That's disgusting, bro. That's disgusting, bro. Bravo. Anyways, what I was saying is, y'all want some money, bro? Send it over through the Discord. I'll trade with it. I will trade with it. And I will keep it all. Because y'all ain't getting nothing back. Once the money comes, Big J, y'all ain't gonna see it ever again, man. Y'all ain't gonna see it ever again in your lifetime. Okay? So once that money comes through, you can go ahead and say bye-bye to it. Immediately. Just say, bye, money. I'm gonna miss you. And boom. gone forever. It's gone forever. It's gone forever like my heart. Dun 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 dun. No, I'm just kidding. For real though, let me know. Let me know if I should make this some sort of oh shoot. Make some sort of series where I trade with people's money on a live account. But the minimum it has to be 100, bro. The minimum has to be $100. Because like anything less than like 100 is just gonna be pure cancer to trade with. But that would also be a lot more impressive. Like for example, like a YouTube video. It's like turning my friend's $10 into like a grand. Like part one, you know what I mean? That would be way cooler than like turning $100 into 1,000. Same thing pretty much, but I don't know, we'll see. Organized YouTube ideas. I have to make little checklists for the day, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that. I have to make checklists for the day because I don't know. I feel like I got hella shit to do and I don't always be remembering that. Well, I look like an egg, bro. Also, I need a. Oh, yikes! What is? Whoa, 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 whoa! What we doing, bro? What we doing? Just kidding. Oh gosh, don't inverse that. Big gank. Big gank. Big gate. Big game. Big game. Big game. Big game. Big gimp. Look like a little egghead. Would that look better? Also, because we don't got much over here, right? In this area where my face is out. But we have the time right here. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. And beautiful, we're leaving a huge wick inside of this fair value gap, which is always a good sign. Let me fix these a little bit. Dang, bro, they get squished regardless, yeah. See what gold's doing. Consolidating and consolidating. I think we're taking a trade on gold today. It's an hour and 30 in, and we've done nothing. So I think our only move now would have to be, would literally have to be sweep, then up. Or up, then sweep. But I think it's going to be sweep, then up. Gotta be, bro. Cause ain't doing shit up in there, Benny. Are we getting so many news coming out or something? 25 MC. Yeah. Bro must have been said something crazy, bro. Maybe I'm retarded. Hey, let me know also. Well, I'll look back at the video, but let me know if y'all like the camera on the right side better or on the left side better. Which side? Market open, came up, swept out previous London session highs and Asia session highs. Then we came back down, right? There's no really inverse fair value gap. There's no fair value gaps left, at least bullish. So we came back up, right? We had this huge push down. Push down, push down. We came up. We could have either hit this with the fib. We could have hit this with the 15-minute, and then the inverse fair value gap, which would be at this area right here where I would have entered. Regardless, though, we could have had this little short. I knew price wanted to come down here and take out these three stacked up draws. It was just too beautiful. Too beautiful. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing on GJ, bro. Just kind of some gay ass shit. We inverse after value gap, never a good sign. I might close. Because we ain't looking too great. Well, to be fair, also, we never tapped into this or retested back into this fair value gap. Because we did leave a 15-minute fair value gap here. Yep. Right in this area right here. So, we'll see how this plays out once it reaches up and taps that area. And on EJ, we're kind of just retesting that area as well. On gold, we're finally getting, nope, zero movements on gold. In about 20 minutes, though, news does come out. And also, we could potentially have a solid little bit of a bearish composure going on here. Let me just leave it at that. A bearish composure. Yeah, this is an ultimate short that I could have taken on GU. That would have been something along the lines of not crazy. It's only 2-1, but could have taken it. Would have been profit. GJ, we are hitting this area, and we are we wicked it. New candlestick forming. It's a red candlestick, always a good sign. Wicked this 15-minute. We have 4 minutes left until this candle closure, so we'll see how the next 5-minute candlestick closes. And then if it closes bullish, we might opt out. We might opt out.
Doesn't mean I'm a freak. Nah, I'm extra freaky. Freaky ass music doesn't mean I'm a freak. Nah, I'm extra freaky.
Gosh, bro, I need to delete Snapchat. Why are we closing like this, gang? What is we doing, bro? What is we doing, bro? Brotherin. We down $14, nigga. Damn. Damn, what that happened, though? What that happened? Why that happened, bro? Why that happened, though? 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 Inverses for value, yeah. No way we don't even hit, like... Be for real, bro. Be for real, bro. Be for real. And you know what? Unfortunately, that's where I think we're going to go. And the problem and the reason is that y'all know how I was talking about retracement plays, right? Hold on, we got to leave this one on there. You know how I was talking about retracement plays, right? Let's see how this plays out. But there's a 4-hour fair value gap up here. So price is going to want to come up into there before we come back down. And that's something that I didn't notice in the morning. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure, though, we're not taking a trade at all today. Because price is just not giving me anything, bro. Anything at all. So, most likely we're not taking a single trade. Well, except for that one. That I opt out of. What we can do is take a trade on NASDAQ. Forgot. We can actually trade. Oh man, I might have missed a reversal. Broke. I forgot this chart is 10 minutes behind. Yeah, I missed it. Alright, well, we could have traded this. Made some bread off of it. And you know what, bro? I think what I'm going to do is specifically only trade futures with live money. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to specifically only trade futures just to get some experience in trading futures. But not only that, I've started trading futures, but not only that, it's a lot easier. Like, you just trade for the first, 15 minutes, bro, an hour, and you're set. But on Forex, it's more like just back and forth and back and forth. We broke past this. We ain't reacting shit off that. We're going to continue up. I missed my big position for GU and EU today, which was that short. So, am I really trying to take a trade off the 5 minute and off this break into the high? Maybe, bro. Maybe if we get a retracement, maybe, but probably not. Most likely not. Most likely, for sure not. And yeah, we're gonna wait for this one to quote unquote stop me out. But to be honest, yeah, I'm gonna wait for this one to stop me out so I can take a picture of it and then post it on my stories and everything. I also got some posting to do. Like I said, I have to edit all those videos, but not only that, I feel like I had to do something else. Let me double check here. Where's my YouTube studio, bro? That's what I want to know. There it is. There we go. Damn, this shit is a mess, nigga. I gotta fix this. Okay, let me put this. Discord. Alright, I'm gonna name it Jacob TT / Rob the Wrong Bank. Rob the Wrong Bank goes hard, bro. We're gonna have Wise. I have a whole like trading screen on my phone. So that whole page on my phone is just strictly for trading. Dang, bro. I guess I should have put in a long position. Dang. Dang, we wicked the fuck out of that too. Yo, should we re-enter on GJ though? Let's be honest. Let's be honest here. Should we re-enter on GJ? The only problem I got with that is that our margin is down to $50, so. Should I have held the position though? That's the real question. Because even though I didn't, so I didn't lose the whole, like half the account, I still ended up losing $22.
Cheers, ladies and gentlemen. On that note, peace out. God bless everybody. Love, boys, love. And we passed the funded account, so. And. It's,
Wait, I'm retarded as shit. What little shot he say? Alright. Now this video I gotta split it into. Here's a new clip. And this one. What little shot he say? Alright, I got 4 clips now that I can repost. Bro, I'm so tempted to re-enter this position. Very, 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 very temptatious. Inverse it. I'm gonna be pissed, nigga. I'll be pissed, nigga. We had 3 minutes left on this candle. You better not inverse that shit. If we close below this, I'm re-entering this position. By the way, I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm re-entering the fuck out of this position. 198326. I wanna, but she play more games in the NBA. I ain't mind. That's so real. So fucking real. Hey, we didn't close below this, which is, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, to be honest. But it's something, I guess. In gold, we're finally breaking out of this consolidation, bro. Like, dang. Took fucking 5 years. That's a crazy ass. That's crazy, bro. I haven't seen EU and G move like that in like a little bit. Price came up, came back down, went back up, might come back down. Or if we continue up, that would be dope too. Still got to come down into this fair value gap. It's probably 50-minute. To be honest. Probably will be a 15. We'll see though. We'll have to keep it on the sites, bro. We'll have to keep it on the sites, bro. We got this one. We got this one. We got this one. We'll have to keep it in the sites, bro. To be honest though, what did Shotty say? Yo, Big John, if you're looking at this video, brother, that's my bad, brother. I ain't mean to lose your money, nigga. I ain't mean to lose your money. I lost it all, John. I lost it all, bruv. I lost all your money, man. I lost all your money, man. Damn, man. I lost all your money. That's all that damn money. Swing low, swing high. Please come down into this area so we can target highs. That'd be pretty dope, bro. That would be pretty dope. News is coming out in a minute. Jolt's job openings, 25 seconds. 25 seconds for Jolt's job opening. Yeah, boys, I think we're done trading for today. We only took one trade. I'm gonna see how this one plays out. But I gotta go take a dump. I'll be back. If we close above this fair value gap, I'm willing to take longs. Put my jacket back on, bro. It's cold. Damn! Hello, Papa. We gon' Boys, I had a lot to talk about. All in due time. All in due time, bro. I gotta actually organize all my thoughts, place them into categories, and then do the same thing with my videos, my accounts, all my ideas. And that way they could all just be ready, I guess. Dang, bro, that's just some big moves. It's all off what? Shoo. That's a big candlestick right there. Came back down into the fib retracement. Broke 5-minute structure. Gotta drink the rest of this protein shake. see. Damn, that just shoot up. No, it didn't. What's GU doing? Yeah, GU's for sure gonna go higher as well. Might place another buy position. All right, we getting frisky. We getting frisky. We getting frisky. We getting frisky. We getting frisky, bro. Damn, yeah, that was not a good take. That was not a good take, bro. That was for sure not a good take. Maybe it was, though. Hold on. Some TC. Damn, bro, this is not a good take. Now, the real question is it really going to come back down into this retracement area? Because if we take a second and look at this, right, we did leave this huge 1 minute fair value gap that I think we tap into and then boost up. See what price does here. We'll see what it does. We'll see what it does. Let's see what futures did. Nigga. Dang, boy. Yo ass. My ass would have got fried probably. Dang, bro. NASDAQ fucked some people up today. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I would not have taken that trade. Would have taken this one, though. Inverse fair value gap. For sure, I would have taken it off this. Also, let's see if we can squeeze in an SMT in here, too. Okay, so I would have entered on this NQ trade and this ES trade. I would have entered on these. This one, realistically, I would have targeted these for TP1. The reason I would have entered these trades, right? I'm overall probably going to be are going to be bullish for the day, probably. New York market opens, comes down, sweeps all these previous session lows, comes up into this fair value gap, doesn't inverse it though, reacts off of it, comes down, stops everybody who went long, and then comes back up, takes everybody out again who went short, then literally continues short to take everybody out who went long. Yeah, price is going. Boop, boop, boop. I wonder how TJR is doing right now, bro. This nigga for sure either broke even on the day or. I don't know. You better see though. Who's Rihanna? Happy birthday, gang. K-Soul, that was this nigga's name, bro. K-Soul. K-Soul, the bass soul. What up, K-Soul? Ciroc. We'll see, bro. We'll see what happens. But I think, to be honest, I think I could get it to, let's see, $60 to $1,000. Give me like 3 weeks, bro. 2 weeks. I think I got it. We'll see, though. If the markets are like this every day, then no. But they're usually not. But yeah, for sure going to. This is kind of like the scheduling that I have so far. Discord's coming out next week, so I'm gonna start live streaming from 8 to 12 every day next Monday. My funded account is coming either tomorrow or between here and Friday, pretty much. Before Friday, I should have my funded account back. And meanwhile, I'm gonna be trading with my friend's money. I'm gonna be trading with my friend's money. Money they give me so I can trade with and flip it. That's what I'm gonna be trading with. I'm gonna make this a series, so like all the video of all my friends are gonna be on this series. I'm gonna name it like, should I name it? I'm gonna be like turning my friends' money into $1,000. Live trading forex. Oh, bro, that's good. That's what I'm gonna name all the videos: part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, and then so forth. So yeah, peace out, ladies and gentlemen. Hope y'all having a beautiful day and have a beautiful day. Peace. I think I am gonna make this a series, and where I trade with on live money, trading my friends with my friends' money. But see how much I can flip it with, and maybe we'll see, bro. We'll see what happens. But I think, to be honest, I think I can get it to, let's see, $60 to $1,000. Give me like 3 weeks, bro. 2 weeks. I think I got it. We'll see though. If the markets are like this every day, then no. But they're usually not. But yeah, for sure going to. This is kind of like the scheduling that I have so far. Discord's coming out next week, so I'm gonna start live streaming from 8 to 12 every day next Monday. My funded account is coming either tomorrow or between here and Friday, pretty much. Before Friday, I should have my funded account back. And meanwhile, I'm gonna be trading with my friend's money. I'm gonna be trading with my friend's money. Money they give me, so I can trade with and flip it. That's what I'm gonna be trading with. I'm gonna make this a series, so like all the video of all my friends are gonna be on this series. I'm gonna name it like, should I name it? I'm gonna be like turning my friends' money into $1,000. Live trading forex. Oh, bro, that's good. That's what I'm gonna name all the videos: part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, and then so forth. So yeah, peace out, ladies and gentlemen. Hope y'all having a beautiful day and have a beautiful day. Peace.